this is me and I am a chef, and today I am going to cook breakfast for my mother and me. So now let's begin with me. I am going to make 2 cheese sandwich. For this I have bread, salt and ketchup and cucumber and 2 slices of cheese. Here is 2 pieces of bread and now ketchup. As you can see, I put sauce in both of my bread. Now I am going to put cheese. Now I am going to put the cucumbers. Now I am going to sprinkle a little bit salt. As per your taste, you can add butter and mayonnaise also. So now everything is done. So now I am going to put the bread again on top of it. Now I want my mother's help for melting the cheese and because I can't touch the toaster. As you can see, my yummy sandwich is ready, and now I am going to make my orange juice. Everybody should drink orange juice. It is very good for our immune system. I love to make orange juice. Look how nicely it is done. I'm sure my mother will be very happy because I learned how to make a complete breakfast by myself. So let's serve to my mom first.
Thank you, Shobik.
Welcome. I'm drinking juice. And here is juice.
And this yummiest breakfast made by my cute son. Thank you so much.